What we're going to do in this video is we're going to talk about the properties of triangles and also how to name sides of a triangle. So let's first break down the word triangle. Triangles has the word tri in it, and tri just means three, and angles are these things in the middle. So you can imagine every triangle will have three angles. So every triangle has exactly three angles. And also important that if we add them all up, so if we add the degrees of all the angles, so for example, if this is 60, then this is 60, and this is 60, we have three 60-degree angles, they'll have to add up to exactly 180 degrees. So all angles in a triangle have to add up to 180 degrees, and it has to be exactly three angles. If there's going to be three angles, there's also going to be three sides. So all triangles have exactly three sides. So for example, this side right here, this side right there, and this side right here. So that's basically the basic properties of a triangle. They all have three sides, they all have three angles, and all the angles have to add up to 180 degrees. Now, there's another important word for you to know, and that's the vertex. What is a vertex? So you see these dots that I've drawn here, and I've labeled them with different letters. So for example, a vertex here, vertex A, this is just the starting point that will form a line. So basically it's just a point, usually a starting point, and this point will help form a line. So what I mean by this is, if you look at point A here, and point C up here, if we draw a line between those points, we get a side, right? So we draw a line between point A and point C, and then we get side, and we name it like this. We name the side A, C. And the reason why we name it AC is because the side AC is between vertex A and vertex C. So these 2 points, and all we have to do is just draw a line between them, and we get line AC. And same with this. If we want to be able to name this line, it's vertex A here and vertex B here, and then we just draw a line between 2 points, and we get our side of that triangle. So in this case, we call this side down here, we call it A, and B, because it's between the two, between vertex A and B, so that's why we call it AB. And then this one here is between vertex B and vertex C, so we call it BC. So we've got side AC, which is this one here, AB down here, and BC up here. Right? That's how we name sides. When it comes to naming angles, I'll just show one example, and we can name this angle right here. We always have the angle where the vertex is closest to in the middle. So first of all, this sign, when you see this sign, this is a sign of an angle. And I said that the vertex that is closest to it will be the middle letter. There's going to be 3 letters, and the one that's going to be closest to it is going to be in the middle. And then we can actually have any combination of the other two. So remember, the one that's closest to it is going to be in the middle. And then let's say we can take B, which is on the other side of it, to be right here. And then C right there. So the one that's in the middle, the one that is closest to the angle, this one here, should always be in the middle of the 3 letters. But which other combination doesn't really matter. You could put B first, or you could put C first. Basically, this means that this angle, which we call in this case angle BAC, has the vertex A in the middle, and is connected to C, and it's also connected to B. Right? If we were to name this angle, we would simply have that angle sign up again. Remember, we put the one that's closest to in the middle, so in this case the B will be in the middle. And then we could put A on one side, so we can call it angle AB, and then the other vertex, we can call it angle ABC. Right? So this is how we name angles. That angle sign, then we put the vertex which is close to it in the middle, and the other 2 vertexes on the other side. And we need to do that for usually for each angle. So we need to be able to name the angles, name the sides, and know that every triangle has 3 sides and 3 angles, and the angles will all add up to 180 degrees. But we'll go for that again very soon as well.